Well, how you doing, folks? This is Richard. Just got done installing some C.H.I. model 5916. This is a dark oak that we are looking at right here. Yeah, it's a great door. I like the finish on it. Really warms the house up for sure. So they put a small one in over here, 9x7. This is a 9x7, and the big one's 18x7. But yeah, that dark oak really pops. Looks good. You know, for being a steel door, you know, there's not a speck of wood on this door. It's all metal, all steel. So 5916, guys. C.H.I. Thanks for watching. Peace out.